Do you want to know how you can sign up for poe.ai? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for poe.ai. Go ahead and search for poe.ai sign up, or just search for poe.ai and then click on the first link. It will take you to this sign up portal or login portal where you can continue with Google, Apple, or your email address. Go ahead and choose whichever is easier for you. Let me go ahead and click continue with Google and select my Google account. After that, I'll click continue to sign into Poe, and in a while you can notice that your account will be created. So this is how you create an account on Poe, or how you can sign up on Poe. You can go ahead and start to create a bot, and if you click complete profile, you can go ahead and click edit photo and select the photo of your choice. Click next and select the profile picture. And what you need to do now is write down your name. After you write down your name, click next, and you can see you can select your username as well. Go ahead and write down a username for yourself. Click save again and click save finally. And there you go. This is how you sign up for poe.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.